Hey everyone, it's Andy here, back with another in-depth review on the Mr. Yoo-Hoo channel. Today I'm out in beautiful Surfers Paradise on the Gold Coast, Australia. We're going to dive into Edifier's latest true wireless earbuds, the NeoDots, as you can see just here. Now you guys know I'm a huge fan of Edifier. I reviewed their headphones, speakers and earbuds before, and they always deliver on quality and innovation. Today, we'll see if the NeoDots can keep up with Edifier's stellar reputation. So here's what we'll be covering in this review. We'll unbox these earbuds, set them up, dive into the app features, and put them through real-world tests. We're testing their sound quality, noise cancelling capabilities, gaming mode, and call quality. Plus, guys, I'll give them a workout at the gym so you can see Mr. Yoo-Hoo pumping out his muscles. Also, check out their battery life. And of course, stick around because there's a special giveaway at the end, so don't miss out. Alright, so what I'll start with is the unboxing. The Edifier NeoDots come in two stylish colours, sleek black and clean white. As soon as I open the box, Edifier's attention to detail is clear. Inside, we've got the earbuds, a compact charging case, a USB-C charging cable, extra tips in small, medium and large, of course for that perfect fit, and there's the user manual. And the user manual is quite actually straightforward to use and set up as well. The charging case itself has that premium feel to it with a bit of weight. It's smooth to the touch, with a matte finish that's both stylish and durable. Plus, it's got an LED indicator at the front to show charging status. And yes guys, it does support wireless charging if you're asking, which is super convenient. You can just drop it onto the pad and it starts charging, which is great. Now let's have a look at the earbuds. So the earbuds themselves have a glossy finish with the Edifier logo on the side. And they're designed for a snug, comfortable fit, even for long listening sessions. There's dedicated touch controls on each earbuds, so you can prevent accidental touches. So guys, I'll be testing out the controls soon to show you exactly how they work. Now the great thing with these is setting up was an absolute breeze actually. So thanks to the Google Fast Pair, on Android device it's very, very quick. You basically just open up the case and connect it. For iOS users, it's just easy. Go to Bluetooth settings, select the NeoDots and you're ready to go. Very, very easy and it connects very, very well. Now let's open the Edifier Connects app. So guys, this app really lets you unlock the earbuds' full potential. So you get battery indicators for each earbud, so you're always aware of the charge levels. The app also offers EQ settings for bass boost, classic treble boost, and even lets you create custom EQ settings for personalized sound experience. Now, while the earbuds are great out of the box, I like to vary the EQ settings. It depends if you watch a movie, listen to music, it's good to vary it. The app also allows you to control noise cancellation settings with modes like high, medium, and low noise cancellation, an ambient mode, and a wind reduction mode, as you can see just here. This is perfect if you're on the go, moving between different environments. So whether at the gym, commuting, or just relaxing at home, you can change it. Because obviously gym's high noise cancellation, home, low to none at all. Sound quality is where the NeoDots really stand out. These earbuds feature hybrid drivers, a balanced armature paired with a 10mm dynamic driver. These dynamic drivers is normally found in high-end models, giving the NeoDots a beautifully balanced sound. The other thing, guys, about putting these into my ear is how comfortable they fit. Now, I haven't had this earbud design before, as you can see there. But they actually feel really good. So I put them in my ear and they don't move at all when I shake my head. And they feel quite comfortable too. I really like it. And they have a really good seal around the ears for music too. So surprising, this design does work really well. With high-res audio as well, and also LDAC support, you get up to 990 kilobytes transfer rates, providing 3 times the detail of standard Bluetooth. So testing these with some of my music tracks, the bass is deep and punchy, the mids are warm, and the highs are crisp. It's an audio experience that'll satisfy all you music lovers out there. What we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to do a test of the music so you can sound exactly what they hear, so you can see what I found. Sorry guys, I got caught up in the music. As you can see, the music sounds fantastic and really, really clear. And it's amazing what they're pumping out of these lovely earbuds. But also the active noise cancelling as well is really good. So they say they can reduce ambient noise by up to 48 decibels. So I tested them out on a busy street and they did a fantastic job muting city noise. It's like stepping into a quiet bubble. The hum of traffic just fades away. Also use them at the gym as well. So gyms have really loud background noise as well. They sounded great. It reduced the gym noise. I couldn't even hear the speakers in the background. Ambient mode's also really, really good. You press a button, switch to ambient mode, and you can see if there's people around you when you're walking. And wind reduction mode is quite good as well. It's always been windy down here in the Gold Coast at the moment. In the video you're about to see, it's always like this. You'll see how it cut down on my wind noise. Well, I've just been for a run and the earbuds fit really well in the ears. Now they do have a unique design. The design actually means they lock into the ears really, really well. So they don't move, run at all. As you can see, I'm running along the water here. You can't hear any of the wind when you're running, and it sounds really, really good. So they fit nicely, feel really good, great for exercise, and the noise cancelling is really, really good. So lovely pair of earbuds. And as you can see, there's actually a storm coming in the background. So Mr. You better be careful. But yeah. Now call quality. So each earbud has 3 microphones that are paired with an AI algorithm that filters out background noise. So I made a few calls with these, and people could hear me clearly each time. So it's perfect for those taking calls. Even wind was quite good as well when I was using it. Another good thing with these is the multi-point connection too. So you can connect these earbuds to 2 devices at once, make it easy to switch from music from your tablet to your phone to your computer. It's really, really good. And also, as I said, the build sound feels really good. They feel like very, very good quality headphones. And I mean, Edifier always has good quality. For gamers out there, it's got 80 ms low latency gaming mode. So I tried it with a few fast-paced games, and the sound was perfectly synced with the gameplay. Footsteps and in-game sounds were spot on, enhancing the overall experience. If you're a mobile gamer, these are a great choice. Now guys, going to take them to the gym for a workout so you can see how it works. So here I'm doing a workout, and they stayed secure and comfortable through every exercise. With the IP55 rating as well, they're resistant to both sweat and dust. So even after an hour of intense training, they felt as comfortable as when I put them in. Now I'm going to go across to actually walking near the water so you can see what they're like at Surfers Paradise. So guys, just been for a run along the beach, and I tested out the noise cancelling with the waves in the background. As you can see, there's the waves and there's the earbuds. I couldn't hear the waves as I was running, so that's how good the noise cancelling is. I know you guys can hear the waves at the moment because I'm at the beach. I'm actually in the Gold Coast Surfers Paradise, so great to listen to if you're exercising. They didn't move my ears at all, and the noise at the beach was great. So yeah, really good earbuds. So as you can see, they feel really good in the ears. You can see that background there, there's a bit of storm coming, a bit scary. The storm missed us, by the way. But they're very, very clear to work for running around, exercising. They were quite good. I also like how the auto pause feature works as well. You take the earbud out and it pauses for you as well. Battery life's another good thing with these. So you get up to 17 hours battery life with the NeoDots on a single charge with ANC off, and up to 56 hours with a charging case. With ANC on, they last a solid 12 hours, and a quick 15-minute charge gives you about 5 hours of playback. 5 hours, wow. The wireless charging feature, again, is very, very good as well. So, guys, what's my final verdict? Well, the Edifier NeoDots truly impressed. They deliver high-quality sound with hybrid drivers and high-res audio, excellent noise cancellation, and clear call quality. Adding multi-point connectivity, gaming mode, long battery life, and these are some of the best true wireless earbuds I've tested in this price range. Edifier has once again shown why they're a leader in audio tech. Whether you're a music lover, gamer, or just need reliable earbuds with great noise cancelling, NeoDots are absolutely worth it. And now for a giveaway. For a chance to win a pair of Edifier headphones, click the link below to enter. So the more entries you make, the more chance you got to win. And there's also other giveaways there, but we really appreciate you guys joining it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, put the notification button, and click the notification bell. More support you give us means we can create more content. But guys, love these earbuds. Thank you for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.